Preserving cultural heritage is one of the most prestigious tasks for a scanning project. More than 1 billion books have been written over the centuries, many of which are extremely rare or were even made individually by hand. The finest books deserve the highest quality scanner and the most cautious, gentle treatment possible. To accomplish optimum preservation at the highest quality level, Image Access has developed the BookTEK V1A Professional, the most book-friendly production scanner ever. The scanning area is larger than A1, and the optical resolution of 400 dpi preserves every detail of the original. BookTEK's scanning technology achieves unmatched resolution and color fidelity, superior to every digital camera. BookTEK V1A is the first book scanner which can scan books held against a glass plate, books in their natural reading position, folders in a single pass, or flat documents, all with the same device. The triple-function motorized book cradle can easily be put in the V position, which opens the book no further than required for reading. The laser-assisted measurement of the surface properties of the book is followed by a fast scan with high-quality controlled light. The book is lifted up by a single motor which is fully controlled by the operator. A newly developed cradle mechanism compensates for the different weights of each side of the book, so that the pages to be scanned are at the same height, even without lowering the glass plate. Four gas springs hold the glass plate fully open or at 45 degrees at the operator's discretion. Pressure on the book is controlled only by the operator, not via a motor or sensor. The operator lowers the glass plate and applies pressure to the book until the holding magnet engages. After the glass plate is locked, the scanner automatically starts the scan, performs all image processing, and stores the compressed image data. At the end of the actual scan, the glass plate opens automatically to the 45-degree position, and the BookTEK is ready for the next scan immediately after the operator has flipped the page. A well-balanced cradle mechanism gently holds the book against the glass plate with a controlled amount of pressure, which stays the same from the first to the last page. The BookTEK V1A has two LED light bars which move over the scanning area, reducing the light impact on the surface to the absolute minimum. The LED lights are also free from any infrared or UV light. The intuitive full-color touchscreen with audio feedback controls most of the machine functionality, and the large 19-inch preview screen provides a high degree of comfort and ease of use to the operator. All of our scanners feature the unique Scan-to-Net technology. It includes a 1 GB network interface and code-free access through any browser, whether it's a Windows, Mac, or Linux host. The production software Batch Scan Wizard enhances content and increases productivity even more. The software assists in larger conversion jobs. It organizes batches, jobs, and file naming, and keeps track of every change. The BookTEK V1A is a true production scanner, built to last for millions of scans with little maintenance requirements. Exactly what you would expect from a quality product made in Germany by Image Access.